Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tosca tutorial. And Today we'll be seeing the functionality where we'll have to upload a file, where we'll have to choose a file from our local systems local and then upload a file. So we'll be trying to automate this, and for that, we'll use a Tbox engine module called Tbox Save As. Okay, so I'll just take you through the documentation quick and fast. So what happens is when the window is open where we have to select the file, we have to mention the caption, I mean the title of that window, and then the button name and the file path. So let's get started with that. And I have created a folder for the modules and the folder for the test case. Let me quickly scan that screen. Alright, this is the website of our concern. Let's click on scan. Alright, we see a send file button over here, but that's not what we want. We want this particular button. Okay, and let's see, and it says unique, so we're good with that. Let's rename it to choose file for our convenience. And let's see the properties, making sure there are no IDs considered. Uh, yeah, let's click on finish screen, and once we have it, let's close this. We don't need that anymore. Just drag and drop this into our test case. Okay, it forms a new test case. Let's say upload file. Once we have that, okay, let's say action mode wait on. Uh, So what this does is it waits until that particular element is visible on the screen. If you're navigating through back and through like to that screen, this would be necessary. And yeah, click on input, and here we would pass a click. And once we have that, uh, we'll have a window open like this, and all we have to do is go back to our test case, click right click, search and add step, and then dbox save as. All right. And when we look at the caption of that window, it's open and the button is also called as open over here. Pass the caption as open. uh, File path, I have it over here, and this one will also be open. All right, and let's run it now. You can see it's entering the path and uploading the file as well. That's all it is. So now let's run the test case in its entirety and see if it works or not. Let me just reload it. All right, run in Scratchbook. Yep, yes, that's the quick trick from Tosca for today. Subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.